It's time to learn how to make an origami plane. Now this plane actually flies, so not only is it made from a square sheet of paper, but it actually flies pretty well inside your house. Now the first thing we need to do is take a regular sheet of paper and make it square. So go ahead and fold one side over. Just like this. And now you can either trim or fold this over and rip very carefully off your excess. Okay. So this part we're actually going to save for a ninja star. So you can fold it back and forth a few times and then rip it off. Okay, so save this somewhere. We'll come back to it in a minute. Okay. Now to make your origami plane, you need a square sheet of paper. It can be any size you like. And the first thing you need to do is actually fold it in half. Okay, just like that. Open it back up. And now we are going to fold down the top diagonals here. Here's one. And here's another. Okay, so we had these flaps open and now we just folded them down. Make sure you make these folds nice and sharp. Use a fingernail, or if you don't happen to have one of those, you can use the side of a pencil or even a popsicle stick to smooth those out. Your next step is to put the point of your nose just slightly below the line that this fold makes here, okay? Just a teeny bit below, okay, just like that. And then we're going to fold the sides in, okay? And to do that, we're going to put this edge along the vertical. And what that looks like is this. Okay, there's one side, and now we're going to take this edge and put it along here. And we do that by folding. Okay. Again, run your fingers or side of a pencil over your folds to make them nice and sharp. Now you might have a little bit of this inner triangle peeking out. That's okay. That's totally fine. Okay, so it looks like this. Now your next step is to fold it over. It's pretty easy. And then you're going to fold it in half. Okay, and now it's time for us to fold down our wings. Okay, so what we're going to do is fold them down. Now the size of your wing is going to change how this flies. So this one actually has a large wing area here. Okay, so whatever you do on one side, make sure you do on the other. Make sure the wings line up and are symmetrical as you can make it, the same shape as you can make it. You don't want one wing folded down here and the other one up here. Okay, it's not going to fly very well. All right, and then go ahead and open it up. You're almost ready. You need these little winglets. People often ask, well, how come you got to put these up? Well, you want them about the width of your pinky, okay? And these will actually give you a slightly longer flight time, okay? Because when this flies through the air, if you didn't have them here, you'd have these little drag vortices. They look like little slinkies. If you could see the air, how it was mixing, that's actually what you would see. And what these things do is they destroy that, so it actually kills a little bit of the drag that happens because of some turbulence happening on the edge of the wing here. So it'll actually give you a slightly longer, on some planes, anyway, it'll give you slightly longer flight time. Okay, go ahead and play with the dihedral angle. Remember, that's the angle you can either flex up, that's a positive dihedral, or you can flex down like that. It's a negative dihedral. Now if you find your plane flips over and flies upside down, that tells you that you've got too much negative dihedral. So simply flex your wings up or enjoy watching your plane fly upside down. Either one is fine. Go ahead and give that a try. Now, do you remember this piece? We actually need 2 of these in order to make a ninja star. So what you want to do right now is make a second airplane that uses a square sheet of paper, and then save that strip on the bottom, and I'll show you how to make the ninja star. So go ahead and do that now. So now you've got your 2 planes and you have your 2 Ninja Star pieces. Okay, so after you've enjoyed playing with your planes, let's make that Ninja Star. So we're going to go ahead and make a Ninja Star. Your first step is to crease it lengthwise. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing to both sheets of paper. Okay, so make 2 creases like this. And then what we're going to do is we are going to fold this triangle up 3 times. And let me show you what that looks like. So we're going to make a fold here. Okay, so we just folded that little triangle over. And it's kind of like folding a flag if you've ever done that before. Okay, and then we're going to fold this up here, just like that. And then we're going to fold it one more time. Okay, here I'll unfold it so you can see it. Okay, so we start like this, fold once, fold twice, and fold a 3rd time. Just like that. Okay, now your next step is to fold this down. Okay, flip it over and do that kind of fold one more time, just like that. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we actually have to do that flag triangle fold 3 times and wind up here, but this is a little too long, so I'm going to trim off about that much. You might have to play with this to get it right. Okay, so I've trimmed off about that much, and let's try it. Okay, so we're going to fold once, twice, and it winds up perfect. So this is the shape we're going for, and it looks like this on one side and this on the other. Okay, that was a little tricky, so I'm going to do it again. Okay, on my second sheet of paper, and I can go ahead and trim it right now. I'm going to trim it to the same amount that I had trimmed the first one. Okay, just like that, and I can throw these away. Okay, and so we're going to make those triangle folds first. 1, 2, 3. Okay, just like that. Okay, kind of smooth it out. All right, and then we're going to fold down once, flip it over. Okay, fold it again. Okay, flip it over, because now we have to do our triangle folds that meet right here. Okay, so now I should have 2 exactly the same. Now if one is a mirror image of the other one, okay, then you folded it backwards, so you have to do it again. Okay, so on one side they're exactly the same, and if I flip them over, on the other side they're also exactly the same. So you put this together by placing one over on top of the other, just like this. Okay, and then you fold this one in, you just alternate. Okay, and so that one in, this one in, and then the last one's a little tricky, of course. And what you're going to do is you're going to put it underneath the one on the bottom, the first one that you folded over, just like that. Okay, and there you have a Ninja Star that actually flies through the air pretty well. Now, I first learned how to do these in 4th grade. A girl took me aside and said that her family was from Vietnam, actually made these, and so I've never seen them published in a book, so this might be the first time they've actually been made on a video, but I wanted to share them with you because they fly really well. In fact, when I was a little kid, I would make a ton of these and have them in a drawer, and then we would have ninja throwing Star Wars during our fortnight at my house. So anyway, go ahead and give that a try.